Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I'm working in my holiday binder with $50 in prop money. So let's get started. How are you guys doing? I am doing well. Work is crazy. This is our crazy fun month. This is our customer appreciation month. So we do some fun things for the clients. If you're new here, I'm a nurse practitioner that do laser hair removal. It's a fun little job, I shall say. Okay, back to saving for the holidays. So we have Black Friday. This is created by budgeting by Dina US. This side is $45 and this side is $75. So what should we do? One on each? Let's see. Let's do this scratch. Okay, that's an 8. Should we finish this side or just do one? Let's just do one of each. So that's 8. And let's do this one since this one is coming off. Whew, and 12. So that's $20, right? Yes. Oh, goodness. So $20, 10, 15, 20. So $20 going in here. That is something good. And we get to put that towards our Black Friday, which we already at $220 and the goal is $500. So happy about that progress. Next is Christmas, and this book is created by Cajangirlcreates on Etsy. And amounts of here is 1 through 9, 1 through 9, and we are on this page. So let's do a couple scratches. Let's roll. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's $5. So $5. Let's do another one. 3, 1, 2, 3. And that is 6. So that's $11 total. I should do one more. Let's do one more. Oops, that's 2 to 6, 5, 6, and one more. 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, another 5. All right. Because Christmas is approaching. So another 5, right? So that should be 16, 5, 10, 15, 16. Yes, it is. $16 going in here. All right, I kind of want to do one more, but I'm going to save it. This totals $78. All right, let's put some love into the other holidays. We have a new one here. This is for New Year's. When you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. Yes. This is created by Snow Garden 307. Amounts $25. I mean, it's total $25. Amounts 1 through 5. 2. So 1, 2. And we got a 4. And we're just going to scratch one since New Year's a little bit away. So we're just going to do 1. Oh, did I skip? Okay. We gotta move some stuff around. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think once I finish that one, I'll be at my goal. So that is great. This is for Valentine's Day, created by Budget with Carly. Say $65. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we got $10. We can at least do 1. 4. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I kind of want to do this one. Okay, $3. We're just gonna do one. So 1, 2, 3. All right, we have Easter. Ooh, this is 1 through 9. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, we only got $7. Yikes. I might have to skip this one because I do not want a 9. Okay. Let's try. 1, 2. Let's do here because it's a 9 here, so it shouldn't be a 9 here. What else I got? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, $7. Oh dear. Here we go. This is creating bookish mama budgets. Here we go. Whew. I know Miss Lindsay be nice to me. So $3. All right, 1, 2, 3, and then we got what, $4 left. And this is 55. That's for Easter. And then next we have birthday, which the next birthday is my birthday. I am a January Capricorn. And I want to scratch one, but I don't know what the amounts are. And all I have is 4. We haven't scratched one yet. I don't know the amounts, but I don't want an IOU. Oh, because these are scratches and rolling saves. So how many rolling saves do we have? 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. So I'm just going to put the $4 in here. And hopefully we get to scratch next time. I mean, my birthday is a little while away, so I'm just going to put the $4 there. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang, that was $50 put away real quick for the holidays. And that's because I wanted to put a lot into Black Friday and Christmas. So it looked like next week I probably will finish with Black Friday. And because I want to try to add another challenge in here before Black Friday. So we get, if I don't get to the 500, that is okay. But I think I should. And the same with Christmas. If I don't get to this 500, I already saved 500 with my other saving challenge. But if I don't get close to 500 on here, that is okay too. All right, gems, that is it. That was $50 put into my holiday binder. I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.